Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little minute. I know, but I'm back. I always say this, but I'm back and I'm better. In today's video, I'm just showing y'all how I got these cute little small box braids. Yeah, I filmed some clips from my live and stuff, so sorry about the angles and stuff, but yeah, y'all, this is how I did my DIY box braids. No knotless, knots. So if you'd like to see how I did it, stay tuned.
Serious allergic reactions and increased risk of infections and liver problems may occur. Before treatment, your doctor should check you for infections and TB. Tell your doctor if you have flu-like symptoms with the vaccine. Imagine being a million miles away. Ask your doctor about Trimpaya.
Blast off.
The 21 plus days of beauty event is here. Over 250 beauty. Perfect timing.